Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to add emergency contacts on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, put likes, watch the video to the end. Let's get started. Let's go to Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Find Emergency SOS. Once we're in here, scroll down to the bottom. Click on Edit Emergency Contacts in Health. After that here, we scroll down. Click on Edit. Click on Add Emergency Contacts. Select the person whose contact we want to add to emergency contacts. Now we have to sign him here. Who is he going to be for us? Dad, mom, brother, partner, doctor, sister, manager, and so on. Let's say I choose doctor. And once I've chosen, I press done. So now I'm out. And now when I go into Emergency SOS, there's two contacts. There's a doctor. There's a brother. That's how easy it is to add emergency contacts to your iPhone. If you liked and found this video helpful, you can give it a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. Goodbye.